Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can connect your Hostinger domain to Shopify. So to do this, you have to open Hostinger and click on domain portfolio and just select the name of the domain that you want to connect with Shopify. Don't open the DNS settings for now. I will tell you when you should open that setting. Just copy the domain name and then go to settings, and then you have to click on domains and then click on connect existing and type the domain name here, then click on next. After you click on next, it will show you some error. There's not an error. It says that you need to set up the a record and CNAME record. You don't have to specifically log in into the Hostinger account. Don't worry about it. You just have to change this record. So it says that the current value of a record is 84.32.84.32, and you need to replace that value with this one. You can also copy this value. Again, the CNAME, the current value is Starbucks menu price com, and you have to replace it with shops.myshopify.com. So we will do this step. This step is very easy. We will copy this new value and see where we can find the a records. You just have to click on manage, and after you click on manage, you have to click on DNS name servers. Okay, after you click on this one, manage DNS records. So there is option to add the new records. We don't have to add the new record. You just scroll and see where you can find the a record. So currently we, in the bottom we find the a record. You have to search by type. Okay, so we have find the a record, and we have to verify whether the current value is the same that Shopify has shown us. So the current value is 84.32.84 so the current value is the same that and Shopify says to replace it with this new value. So we will just copy this value and click on edit, and then click on this new value. TTL setting is 60 minutes. So we'll also replace it, but it's currently not recorded, but we will do as Shopify suggests. And the name is at the rate of sign. Okay, so it's done. So click on update. After you click on update, and then there is a second record, CNAME, and the name is www. So let's find this one, CNAME www, and the content is this one. We will replace with the Shopify new value, and TTL is 60 minutes. So we will also replace TTL 60 minutes. Okay, and the target is this one. Okay, and we'll click on update. That's it. You have connected the domain. So let's see if the process is done successfully and what Shopify sees. I updated. Now you will click on I updated DNS record. So you don't have to log in into a domain Hostinger account, for example. Otherwise you have to log into the Hostinger in the same Chrome window in a separate tab. Okay, so currently it is clicking on verifying. I will refresh it like 2 to 3 times and it will be done. So you don't have to wait a lot of minutes. Some people claim that you have to wait like 1 hour, but in my case, in most of the domain service providers, it takes like 2 to 3 minutes. So let me refresh it multiple times and pause the video and see whether it is done correctly or not. So I believe I just paused the video for 10 seconds and I just refreshed, and it is done. Domain connection is done successfully. SSL is pending. This is not an error. It will be done within a few minutes or maximum in an hour. So the domain connection has been done successfully. So this is the whole process that you have to do. Just you have to update the two records. You don't have to log in into the Hostinger in the same browser in the separate tab. That step is not required. You just have to update the A record and CNAME records. That's it. So just go back. So as you can see, Starbucks menu price USA.com is successfully connected. So let me just copy this one and see in the new tab whether it is working fine or not. It should be working fine. If not, I will see what issues are. So it is pointing to the Shopify. So it means that it is connected successfully. Let's also double check. So I want to make sure that you don't find any error when you connect it yourself. But if you still find any error, you can just leave a comment and I will resolve that issue for you, and I will update you what mistake you are actually making. But these are the two simple steps that you have to follow: A record and CNAME. So we will click on like online store just to double verify, but it is not required. It is an optional step. You can leave the window because the process is already done. So let's check it again and let's see. Starbucks menu prices USA, Starbucks menu prices USA.com, and this store is open. It means the domain is connected successfully. I hope the things are great. Let me know if you feel any issue, and I hope that I solved your problem today. Thank you very much.